So let's make this yummy delicious chicken curry, but with entirely different style, different from the normal way of making curries. So stay tuned to this video to know the shortcut and the easiest way to make a delicious chicken curry, that too in a pressure cooker. You will love this recipe. There is no grinding of spices nor making any paste. A very raw, rustic way of making delicious chicken curry in pressure cooker with very few ingredients, goes very well with Indian dishes. Stay tuned for the entire video. You will love the recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this yummy recipe. So as I have said, for this recipe I have taken half a kg of chicken curry pieces and I have nicely washed them, cleaned them, and then to it I will squeeze half lemon, one small lemon, and some salt around 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix. This goes in this marination for around 10 minutes. That's it, and it should be kept in room temperature. So I'll cover it using a cling film and we'll make it rest for around 10 minutes in a normal kitchen counter. And as I have said, for this recipe I'll be using an entirely different way for making curry. So this is it, and to make the gravy I have taken here 2 large size onion, very roughly chopped in large size, you can see, and some garlic cloves. These are around 10 to 12, some ginger 1 inch, and 2 green chili. So to begin with, first I'll crush this ginger, garlic and green chili in a mortar and pestle. So just roughly I'll crush it. No need of any fine grinding or any refinement. As you can see, the outcome of this recipe is that the taste of the gravy is very rustic and very raw. So here is what the result. I have just crushed it roughly in this way. And apart from these condiments, I will be using some spices. I have used 2 tomatoes, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. All these are for half a kg of chicken. If you are using more, you can increase the ratio. And some dry fenugreek, so kasuri methi on 1 tablespoon, some whole spices. What you have, basically some basic raw spices. That's it. So before putting all these things on gas, I'll first use a pressure cooker. I have crushed the whole spices little bit so that the flavors can be nicely released. First goes the onions and the crushed ginger, garlic and green chili, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in the mortar and pestle so that I can wrap up everything, and 2 to 3 bay leaves goes in, salt around half a teaspoon goes in, tomatoes goes in, and now cover the lid. Till now I have not placed this cooker on the stove, and now it's time to do the magic. So directly I'll put this on stove and I'll wait for 2 whistles, 1 whistles on high flame, and then reduce the flame to lowest and wait for the second one. So that's it, and after waiting for around 10 minutes it will cool off, and then I'll switch on the flame, and you can see all the condiments, onions, garlic, ginger has been nicely boiled, cooked. At this stage, increase the flame and this remaining moisture will dry out very quickly. Use a spatula to smash everything. So now it's time. I'll add the powdered spices goes in, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil goes in, normal refined oil. You can use any vegetable oil, and now give it a mix. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes on high flame to reduce the basic effort of frying the onions. Roasting the spices has reduced a lot, as you can see, and after 4 to 5 minutes on high flame, or you can just reduce the flame if it's too high, you can see the spices has changed the color. The spice mix has entirely been cooked, the oil has separated and it has not stuck to the bottom of the pan. Everything has been cooked very nicely, and it has also reduced the effort, and as you can see, the oil has reduced from sides. It's perfect time to add the chicken. At this time I'll add the marinated chicken. Give it a mix on high flame. When we cook chicken on high flame, it instantly seals the outer surface of the chicken, which ensures all the moisture is locked inside the chicken, and hence our chicken becomes juicy. So for initial 3 to 4 minutes I'll roast this chicken in the spice mix so that the chicken becomes juicy and then you can see how nicely the color has changed. The aroma is so beautiful. So after 5 to 6 minutes of roasting, I'll add the dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. That gives a very nice flavor, and some salt I have added. You can see the spice fest has started to release oil, which means the chicken has released some moisture and it has been nicely cooked, and this roasting time will take around 8 to 9 minutes. So after 8 to 9 minutes of roasting, it's almost done. Nice aroma is coming, and so once it's done, you can see the color, the texture, everything has changed. So you can now add some water. I'll be adding just around 200 ml of water. That's it, because I don't want a watery gravy. A semi-thick gravy is perfect. Again, it depends upon your wish, but basically in this type of recipe, semi-thick gravy does the trick. Now I'll cover it and cook it on medium flame for just one whistle. That's it. Switch off the flame and wait till the gas is released, till the cooker cools down, and then it's time to see the magic. And as you can see, delicious chicken curry is done with perfect consistency. The gravy, you can see, is perfectly done, nicely cooked, and it's time to serve our delicious chicken curry, which is made in the most easiest way without grinding any spices nor roasting them, and in a very nice way you can prepare this chicken curry entirely different way. And this is how I have served this chicken curry. Goes very well with some hot steaming rice, with naan, roti, whatever you can enjoy. And do try this recipe. This way of cooking, will love it, and the flavors will create magic with the taste buds. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Swastik. She writes, super quality preparation of Matar Paneer Masala. I must prepare this. Thank you so much. Do give it a try. I know you will love the recipe. And thank you so much for mentioning and liking my videos. Stay safe and stay connected. And this recipe, pressure cooker chicken curry, in an entirely different way, perfect for bachelors, or if you're in mess, or if you want to do something very quick, tasty, try this recipe. If you have liked the recipe, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Su's Food Corner English in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.